Hello patrons. Today we're going to talk about breaking through the frozen barrier. I know I've talked to you about this before, but it seems to be a recurring theme that I hear from you, so I'm going to readdress it. Breaking through the frozen barrier. That's when you know what to do and you're just frozen. You just can't do it. Or maybe you can do part of it, but when you get to that one thing, you just freeze. And I know for somebody, for one of my fly babies, it's going through some boxes, just some particular boxes. Not all the boxes, just those boxes freeze her. And I know that there are other things that freeze people. Could just be the overwhelm of the room. So here's what I want you to do. When you know that you are frozen, and you do know it, when you know that, I want you to say, okay, tomorrow, plan it in your planner, I'm going to do 15 minutes with that frozen area. Okay, I'm going to thaw the frozen area. That's what I want you to put in your planner. And for 15 minutes, you're going to work on it. And here's how you're going to do it. When the day comes, and you've already coached yourself the day before, the day comes, you're going to do all your routines first. You're going to do your zone next. And the zone may involve the frozen thing. So if it involves the frozen thing, that's fine. That's what you're going to do next. And if it doesn't and it's in your basic weekly plan, then you're going to do it last. But I have a feeling it's right here in your projects or your zone area. So you're going to attack the box by doing this, or the items, or whatever, the room. You're going to say, okay, let me take a breath in. Blow it out. I am worthy. I want you to say that. I am worthy of a clean, comfortable, peaceful home. I am worth doing this 15 minutes. I am worth it. I'm going to do it right now because I love myself. Lots of breathing involved. And then you're going to start your timer. You're going to open the lid, and you're going to put on a pair of eyeglasses, psychological eyeglasses, that see this like it's me, FlyLady Kat, looking in the box, not you. And FlyLady Kat sees three things. She sees trash or shred. She sees things that need to be kept and put away or displayed. And she sees things that need to be given away. So you're looking through my glasses, not yours. You're going to open it up. And let me tell you why I'm saying this. I have a fly baby who couldn't get through a lot of things. And she had somebody come in to help her because she felt like if I had been there physically, I could have edged her through it. And I'm trying to do this for you. But instead, the people came and just started saying, what's this? What's this? What's this? And she was able to get through it. So the reason you see me looking through it, I'm not going to throw away something that's important to you, but I'm going to ask you, what's this? So when you open your box, or you go to your corner, or you look under your shelf, or wherever it is that you're frozen, you're going to pick something up with your hand, and you're going to hear Kat saying and seeing and looking at it and saying, what's this? And you're going to tell me, Kat, I don't know what to do with that. And I'm going to say, then you don't want to keep it. It looks like a good item. Give away. Let's look at the next one. But, well, you don't want to keep it, or you would have said, oh, I absolutely am going to keep that. Do you really want to keep this? Okay, we're going to give it away. Next. Okay, what's this? Trash. It's trash? Okay, trash. What's this? Oh, I love that. That was my grandmother's, and it's so pretty, and I want to keep that, and I'm going to display that in my bedroom, and blah, blah, blah. You don't have to give me the whole story. Just, okay, good. We're going to put that in the keep or put away pile. What's this? And I want you to do that with everything in there. It's not really the KonMari method of does this spark joy, but it's similar. I mean, if it sparks something in you that says, oh, I'm keeping that. That's kind of like sparking joy. I mean, there's nothing wrong with KonMari. So put it there. If it is like, I don't know if I want to keep it, let's give that away. If it's a reasonable thing to give away, if it's really torn up, we're going to throw it away, okay? And you're going to go through that for 15 minutes with me right there on your shoulder, looking through my glasses, asking you what this is, and I feel like it'll break the frozen factor. And once you crack the ice, then everything starts to flow. When you're done, ding, 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 15 minutes is up, close the box, close the counter, close the cupboard, whatever it is, and complete the process. The first thing you're going to do is take the giveaway to the trunk. That's the hardest for you to get rid of. So you're going to take the giveaway, leave it in its little box or bag, and put it in the trunk or the back of your car. Because on Thursday, you're going to give it away. Then you're going to take your trash and you're going to take that out to the outside garbage and throw it away. And you're not going to look at it again. It's going to be deep in there. Your husband can't get in there and say, "What's this?" No. In the garbage. Put other things on it if you have a dumpster diver for a husband. Okay, last, you're going to take the things that you wanted to keep that make you feel happy, and you're going to go put them away. And you know my story for you, my instructions. If there's not room in that room to put it away, then it goes in a box in the corner until such time as you've cleared out the dresser, the closet, the shelf, whatever it is that you wanted to store it on, or place it upon the dresser top, whatever. It stays in that box until that time. There shouldn't be a million things in this box. This box are things that you really, really wanted to keep. Remember my video from the other day, the mermaid syndrome? You don't want to have the mermaid syndrome. These things, if you're just keeping them to have them and you don't even know what they're for or if they're any good, that's the mermaid syndrome. You've got way too much stuff and it's not making you happy like you thought it would. All right, so that's it for today. That's called Breaking Through the Frozen Barrier. I hope it was helpful for you, and I'm looking forward to hearing how you broke through your frozen barrier. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.